In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to opt out of training in ChatGPT 2026 full guide. We're focusing on a quick, reliable way to stop new chats and uploads from being used to improve future models while keeping your normal ChatGPT experience intact. You won't lose access to your conversations unless you choose to, and you can switch this back on anytime. Start by opening your ChatGPT settings instead of typing a prompt. On desktop or the web, look to the bottom left corner of the interface, click your profile picture or initials, and then click the settings gear. On mobile, open the main menu, tap your profile icon at the top, and enter the settings area from there. If you don't see settings right away, make sure your app is up to date. Inside settings, head to the privacy area where OpenAI groups compliance and telemetry controls together. You'll find this under data controls, which appears in the left-hand navigation of the settings window or sheet. This is where all the switches that govern collection, retention, and sharing live. So it's worth getting familiar with this section. Next, find the switch named Improve the Model for Everyone. In the past, there used to be a single toggle called Chat History and Training that controlled both training and whether your chats appeared in the sidebar. That's changed. Training and history are now separate. Flip, improve the model for everyone to off. The change takes effect immediately, and any new prompts or files you submit from this point forward won't be used to train future public models. Good news, turning that off does not remove your left-hand chat history. Your conversations will continue to save and sync just like before. If you'd rather keep your sidebar totally blank while still blocking training, go to Settings, open Personalization, and turn off Reference Chat History. For one-off private sessions without saving anything, use temporary chat mode so your prompts stay isolated from your main history. One more important cleanup step, shared links. If you've ever generated public URLs to share a conversation, those links remain accessible even after you opt out of training. To review and remove them, scroll to the bottom of Data Controls and click Manage next to shared links. You'll see a chronological list of links you've created. Click the trash icon on any item you want to revoke, which breaks the public link and removes access. That's it. By adjusting a single setting and auditing old shared links, you strengthen your privacy without sacrificing everyday usability. Revisit these controls periodically, especially after major app updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.